to array format. Do you see this is multi-dimensions array or not? Okay, now the NumPy is one of the superpower library anyone can use for data analysis, business analysis, data science, computer vision, LLM models, NLP, everywhere. So many interview questions comes from NumPy itself. Many interview questions comes from NumPy itself. I'm explaining very slowly so that expertise guys can easily understand and non-technical guy easily understand. And why it is very powerful? See, your machines cannot understand image. See, this image will convert to array, correct? Text cannot understand. Internally, it will convert to array. Speech, it will convert to array. Understand, guys? So when these things, this is very powerful or not now? So that means there is also everywhere. This is also understand mathematics. So this is an introductions about NumPy. So I will introductions to NumPy. Do you see these guys offline team today? Many of them student miss or not? Tomorrow, do you think they understand the class? No. Getting my point? This is the first stage of failure. So that's what I'm saying. If in the exam 100 people are writing, only 10 people first division, not everyone. Why? Because of this. So let's go to, I'll share you one by one documentations. As I open metrics, let's heading toward. Now, this is what indexations A, we have, okay, now refer to this one. I hope you understood. So in this 1D, if I read 27, how do I call? Fourth index or not? But when you have metrics, how do you call this 0 now? How do you print this value, guys? A of second row and third column. Can I say this? So you use not slice, you use comma. That's what we do practical. So guys, I hope understand. So no, you no need to do two square brackets, Mr. Nigam. Understand? Just one bracket is enough. Okay, now this part logic is clear. What is matrix? But before, I want to explain with visualizations what is meant by 1D, 2D, and 3D. Before that, just minimize. Now, if you read this now, we talk about slicing or not? Do you see this? We talk about slicing, forward slicing. The moment when you say print the element from second index to seventh index, we count from second index C and seventh index is 7 minus 1, which is 6. So you get C, D, E, F, G. Pretty clear? So the moment when you say print the element from 2 to 9 two-step indexing, this is what works or not? I hope you guys work many practical for this one. I hope you guys work many practical for this, isn't it? Next one. So this part, are you clear up to this? Okay, good one. Now I want you to introduce what is package, what is module, and what is function. I want you to find the difference between package or library, we also called as module, and function. Okay, very simple how a non-technical guy can understand. Assume today you book a iPhone from Amazon. Today you book iPhone from Amazon. Amazon gives you a package or not? iPhone gives you a package. So when the guy give you the package, you unbox it. When you unbox it, you get an iPhone box. You get an iPhone box or not? When you again unpack the iPhone box, you get your mobile. I mean to say, can I say package is collections of module? Collections of module. Understand? What is module? Collections of functions. What is functions? Inbuilt functions and user defined function. User defined function. Everyone clear? What is package, guys? Collections of, for example, you buy 10 iPhones. How many box you get? 10 iPhone box you get in one package or not? So 10 iPhone box, when you unpack, you get 10 phones. So I hope things would be pretty clear. Okay. Now here, inbuilt functions are print function and length function, ID function, max function, min function. We have all these functions or not? We done this practical or not, guys? What is this inbuilt functions? Print, length, ID, max, min. But user defined functions, we always only define with the def keyword. We use define with def keyword. So this user defined functions is a lot of powerful. I will explain all those things later when we start some. Yeah, everything. There's a many, etc. You can have many inbuilt functions. You can have many inbuilt functions. Are you guys clear? So here, import math. Math is a module. So math has math add function, floor function, isn't it? So do you understand what is math? The math is module. So guys, I hope understand up to this. Math is addition, subtractions, multiplications. We have all the part. So guys, are you clear? What is package module functions? Are we clear? Just give me yes, online team, yes or no. So today I start the session with a review of yesterday's class and introductions to Numpy. What is dimensions? All those things we discuss, guys. All right. Next, close this. I go to open now and then just one moment. Absolute basics for beginners. Crystal clear. Absolute beginners. We all are beginners, let's assume. Okay. Now, NumPy is open source Python library. Okay. Almost every field we use. So it is universal standard for working with the numerical data. It is experienced researchers doing state of the art scientific industrial research development. So NumPy API used everywhere. Understand, guys? So this is one of the data analysis, business analysis library for pandas, SciPy, Matplotlib, sklearn, scikit-image. So this API, just go to my notes and I can say NumPy is open source. All right. So NumPy is integrating with all these things. NumPy integrations with all these tools. NumPy difference between API and module. When you calm down, man, just API, when the time comes, I'll get back to you. So surprise your experience, right? I'll talk to you. Okay, no problem. Then you can't little research. I will get back to you. What is API? What is modules? Now, API, when the time comes, I'll get back to you. So we have some practical on this, then we focus on it. Okay. Yep. Next one. So the NumPy library contains multi-dimensions array. Just copy and NumPy has, we have multi-dimensions array. But before understand, I want to tell you what is 1D array, what is 2D array, and what is ND array. Multi-dimensions array we called as 1D, 2D, and all those things. NumPy also used for mathematical operations. NumPy also used for mathematics operations. So sometimes I use Google Images to show you the real time. Just go to images. If you see, I want you to show, do you see these images or not? Now I want to talk about uh, see NumPy used for everywhere, guys. For images, let me open these images. Right click, open image in new tab. So when you open this images new tab, do you see this NumPy concepts apply for data structures, indexing, copying, and broadcasting vectorizations many places or not? This is very powerful. This is very powerful. Now right click, open images new tab. So here, if you see this 1D array, 2D array, 3D array, do you see what is difference of 1D, 2D, 3D? Concept clear? Concept clear or not? So what is 1D? One dimension. What is two? Can you close the door? Anyone? So 1D, one dimensions, 2D, two dimensions, and 3D means 3D. Okay. So this is all 1D, 2D, and 3D, guys. Up to this clear? So now every images will convert to ND, multi dimensions. In the organizations, the image, text, and speech, everything stored in ND array. Concepts clear? So this is what theory. This is what theory. Let's deep dive into practical. Let's deep dive into practical. I want everyone, please open the laptop. We try to understand a small crash, I can say NumPy crash course. Just go here, everyone open. And what I'm going to do, very simple, just work. And we will work together. And please join every day. Don't miss any session. Clear, guys? We do many practical like this. This is just a beginning. Okay, so we have CNN. There's a lot of big part, guys. So just no need to be so much a hurry and just calm and work and just learn very much happily. Okay, don't think too much. Did I learn or not? Just continue learning and spend time. 6 months, man, you are with me. 6 months. Do you see how dedication's level you need to make it? Okay, so the 10 days only, many people are left offline team. Let's try. This open. The first, everyone, I want you to try open the code. Open a new notebook. Please mention. Are you able to see the screen, guys? The last who's sitting? Or you want to off all the light on one light? Off that light. Okay, can you off the light and on one light? Just the single one, which no, try. No, not this. No, another one. Yeah, thanks. It's better now, guys. Yeah, I know. Yeah, just go here. Okay, now let's start today. Can we start, guys? So for you, it's a problem? No problem, guys. Okay. The first, can you import library? Import NumPy as NP. First code type. Import NumPy as NP. So I hope you understand what is NumPy. It handles multi-dimensions array where it stored more rows and more columns. So once we learn, we introduce a lot of visualizations and we do a data analysis projects from tomorrow. We work data analysis projects from tomorrow. So just go to NumPy as NP. All right. So after that, I want you to check np dot to underscore tab, or maybe you can check version and execute. Okay. Versions. Oh, I didn't have execute this one. So let's go ahead and do this. 1.26.3. Can you tell me what is your versions you got now? You also 1.26.4. Okay. So module not found. Execute this, man. execute this? Okay. So Sai, sister, can you execute the first code and then enter this one? Can you let me know? So online team, I hope any questions, are you able to reach out the mentor, online mentor? So this is what concepts working. Good. Create, creating an array. Create my list. This is a list or not? Can you please write this? My list equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you please write this? My list equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or maybe I can just go here and type this. Just one moment. Okay. Now execute. So what is type of my list, guys? What is type of my list? It is a list data structures or not? It is a list data structures. Exactly. Now I want to convert this list to array. I want to convert list to array. So how to convert? Create a variable array and np.array of my list. NP, guys, online team, everyone can able to download the class notes from the Google Classrooms or not? Everyone, do you have an issue? No, good. No issue, no issue, no issue. Okay, that's good. So now can you check array np.array my list? Just if you refer this, can you check array now? Do you see the list is converted to array or not? So team, I hope you're doing it. So the list is converting to array. So how I done it? NP. What is NP? NP is alias of Numpy. Means shortcut. Every time I don't want to type NUMPY, NUMPY. So rather than with to NP. Okay, just go here and try this. So now once you do this, now can you check type of array? What is type of array? Some new joiners so don't know how to download the notes can tell me. Okay, good job. So Durg Venkat Ramana, can you wait after the class? I will tell you. In the meantime, you can work with me. Okay, Venkat. Sir, is array? Yeah, both are same. Very good. So let me tell you, matrix array both are same. You can consider that. Okay, team. Matrix array both are same. Okay, Venkat. I'll help you. So I'm not able to download the notes. Risha, first you work the class. I will explain today how to download the notes. You not download? Are you miss any classes, Trisha Banerjee? Don't worry. So today you work with me. Okay, Trisha, just unmute you. Yeah, unmute you. So Venkat, for you, please
Yes,
go
sir.
ahead. Today's your first day.
No, sir, I've attended previous classes also.
3 days classes. In the classes, are you done, everyone? First, which import library? Next, we check version. Any package or library, if you want to know the versions, which command you need to use? To underscore dot version. To underscore. So any NP, pandas, PLT, TensorFlow, scikit-learn, everything. So it's called version. NP dot to underscore versions. All right. And after that, I create a list. From the list, I convert to array. I convert to array. Are you see this, guys? Now, type of array, ND array. What is type of my list? How many variable I created here? Two variable. My list stored list data structures, and this one stored array. This one stored array. Pretty clear or not? First, I want to introduce, just go and tab np.tab. Do you see how many functions you have, guys? 217 functions you have. NumPy has how many functions? 217 functions. NP dot has 217 inbuilt functionality. every functionality behave different. Understand or not? Are you guys clear? But my questions to you, no company used 217 functionality in one project. You getting my point, what I'm speaking or not? So now, how many mathematics table we have? Matrix multiplication table, math multiplication table. Infinity or not? But in 10th class and 12th class, how many, up to how much table they teach you? Up to how much table? Hello guys, are you following me what I'm speaking or not? So they teach maximum till 30, 31, 30, 32, 60. But once you learn, can you build rest of them or not? So, my dear student, if you not remember the 217 functionalities, no problem. Because in organizations, we will use few functionalities on very much. Understand? So I will explain those functionalities. I'll explain those functionality and I will share a PDF which contains the behavior of 217 functionality so that you go home and you take time and work. If you have able to work, please work. If you are unable to work, then leave it. Don't worry. Just practice on the class. Whatever I taught you, that's good enough. Am I clear or not? So, what I'm saying, I'll give you the documents. I'll give you the documents. If you have time, if you have so much hunger to learn, you can go for it. If not, yeah, like Excel, like very good Lalit. Excel, you have many formulas or not? Do you remember all the formulas? No, not required. So let's first concepts. I want to introduce np.arrange. So what is the first concepts? np.arrange. Okay, guys, I think in that I haven't complete range. I'll talk about range, no problem. But before that, just today, I want to introduce one concept which is range, and then I'll come back to arrange. Okay, just 1 second. Little go down, little go down, and here let's try. There's a range functions. Okay, maybe I'll explain it. Let's work on it. np.arrange. Can you shift the tab? Type this np.arrange. So in arrange, start, stop. See why I'm explaining. Tomorrow we build one project. Tomorrow we build one project. All those things we implement over there. Understand? So that's why we start with basics. np.arrange of 15. So when you say arrange, shift tab can be called with just, if you scroll down, you get some options. Can you execute and tell me what happened? See this code. np.arrange 3 means what is output I'm getting, guys? 0, 1, 2. Do you get this, guys? Arrange. Now, can you tell me what answers I'll get? np.arrange of 15? 0, 2? Because Python index begins with 0. Just go ahead and execute. Pretty clear or not? So what is numpy arrange? Internal function 0 to 14. Now you understand now, guys? Are you got the point? np.arrange means 0 to. So this is int data type or not? Can you check np.arrange similar to, yeah, similar to you. So np.arrange 3.0. Can you type it? What is output we're getting now? 0. So let's check this. You got 0 0.1 point and 2 point. Are you clear now? Arrange functions means what? It like a range. It give me the. So now can you do this here? np arrange 10. Can you try this now? So how many argument I pass? How many argument I pass in the function? One. How many argument I pass? Can you check np.arrange of 10? What is pretty good? Understand, team? Do you see which is this is an array or not? This is an array. 1D array or not, guys? Which array? 1D array. Today you learn how to create 1D array. In interview, if someone tell you, can you create one dimensions array? Can you do it? Yes, you can. Agree with me? Chicken online team, offline team. Are you understand? Okay, let's go ahead. In this arrange functions, we pass one argument. Can we pass two argument? Can we pass two argument? Can you pass two argument and let me know? np.arrange 0, comma 5. Chisnova? Yeah. What is output? 0 to 4? Just go ahead and now, very easy or not? Just go ahead and execute 0 to 4. So this is array. So how many argument we pass? Can you try this? np.arrange 10, comma 20. np.arrange 10, comma 20. So 10 to 19. Pretty cool. So just go ahead and, we're ranging from 10 to n minus 1, isn't it? What is the formula? N minus 1. But can you try, how many argument we pass? Two argument. Can you try this code? np.arrange 20. Guys, am I speed or fine? That's fine, right? Yeah. So online team, I hope I just, yeah, yeah. So perfect. That's good. So can you type this code and let me know what is error you got? What is error you got? So what are these ranges exactly? Are we give size of an array at the data? See, this is, come on, Emmanuel, you so in depth you going, man. You no need to do a research. It's very simple. You pass some argument. It's arranging the numbers between 0 to 5. Understand, Emmanuel? Just click here and use Shift tab. Read this string. Start, stop, step. Pretty clear? What is meant by arrange does? It return value within the interval. I hope you guys clear or not. So it creating array with the range. That's what I want you to read this. Return a values within the given interval. I mean to say, if you 15, what is the interval? 0 to 15 or not? And if you pass one argument, what is the interval, guys? 0 to 15. So the moment when you understand, guys, the moment when you say 20 comma 10, you got empty. So why? Because read this. So start, stop, step. Okay. What is arranged can be called with varying number positional argument. I will tell you functions. We have a concepts, positional argument, formal argument, keyword argument, variable length arguments, quarks. I'll explain all those things later. Remember, the first argument is greater than second argument, isn't it? So first argument is greater than. Actually, the first argument always should be less than second argument. Understand? So here, if I do, just go to this code, minus 20, now check. I hope you get it this point now. So what is minus 20? It's a less than or not? So the first argument is, see guys, online team and offline team. I want to write a very big statement. The first one, I want to highlight one point is guys point on finger on me and you point on fingers on Naresh IT. These guys is not have experience well, all those things. How the people are get placed, man? How the people are get placed? Neural network array, how to create, how we convert all these arrays. This is the nice practical we have. How the max pooling works. And those are new concepts I'll teach you. Isn't it? So this is a lovely codes and I enjoy the classes, guys. Anyway, let's get back to the codes now. Yep. Now, So this is that's what this the lady who plays detail. I'm telling you systematic way. Just np dot arrange. So what is the first argument? First argument is always less than second argument. If the first argument is greater than second argument, what happen? You get empty array. This is not error, but you get. So in arrange functions, a user can pass one argument, two argument, and can we say pass three argument? Is it valid or invalid? 30 and 20. Invalid. Why, guys? Because first argument is always be less than second argument. So up to this code, whatever you write, do you define with variable or without variable? Without identifier, guys? You understand? So all this without variable. So let's create a variable AR. AR means array is equals to type this np dot arrange. Now you need to call AR or not? Team, I hope understand this one. Okay, now next one. np dot arrange 10 comma 10. np dot arrange 10 comma 10. What is interval, guys, between 10 and 10? What is the distance of the point? What is distance of the point? You can't say that, right? So here, just the interval is nothing here. If you check this is empty. This is empty. There's a nothing, you get empty array. Okay. So what if you didn't pass any argument, you got error? Arrange requires stop to be specified. You know what exactly stop? So here, if you pass one argument, stop at 15 or not? Start at 0. Stop at 15, start at 0. When you pass two argument, start at 0 and stop at 5. Pretty clear or not? So that's what. Try to understand the doc string start, stop, step. So what about this one? I think let's go to third argument, guys. 10:35. Anyone, are you doing with me? 10:35. Can you tell me what output I get? First 10, then what? Step count. What is 5 step? 15 or 14? Then, then, then that's it. Because 30 becomes 30 minus 1, 29. So it stops up to 4 steps. Cool. Isn't it? This is, I hope. So this is start, stop, start, stop, step. So that's what. If you see shift tab, are you getting these help options or not in your system? Shift tab, are you getting this? Shift tab. You try this, you will get. Online team, please work with me. Every day work with me. Pandas, Numpy, machine learning algorithms, predictions, model building. Guys, there is a lot of new topics I just bring back for you. So you have like, cryptocurrency or not? Do you see the cryptocurrency market is there's a few, cryptos. There are few cryptos like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, Binance coin. So if I research on the project, I had one client gave one data to me. So I done this work and gave it to you. I'll give it to you now. Isn't it? So if you see, do you see what exactly market demands? The market more demands on Bitcoin, BTC. You want to see this graph? Stock market is a graph or not? Stock market is a graph. Whoever stalkers, they load 10 to 15 TVs and they keep on watching. They track every single moments. Graphs are very powerful. Graphs are very powerful. But how do you build this? You need to understand or not, guys? Team, are you clear? Don't worry. So I'll explain slowly. Just work with me and forget everything. Next one. So what is output, guys? np dot arrange. np dot arrange. Exactly, Sushuban. NP dot arrange. First 0, then 3, then I hope understand. Just go to shift enter. Can I pass 5 argument? Shift tab. Start, stop, step. That's it. So just you go back to here and this one. Guys, are you clear? So you cannot pass 4 argument. You can pass only 3 argument. So arrange functions understand how many argument? Max 3, not 4. Arrange functions we clear. Interesting, guys. So we work on NumPy. We work on NumPy now. NP.zeros. What is the next concepts? Argument again. Okay, Rohan, what is argument? Argument means I told you. So here we pass first to 3 argument. So inside functions, if you pass any element, that is called arguments. So functions always ends with open bracket and close brackets. Guys, are you understand? So np.arrange we clear. Okay, Rohan. Next. Can we go to this now? np.zeros 5. Can you tell me what is output you got? How many zeros you got? 5 zeros. But what is the value? So np.zeros, just check shift tab. I'm sorry, just enter. But this is decimal or not float? Just shift tab. Data type by default parameter tuning or hyperparameter tuning this is? By default, data type is float. This is called parameters. If I change d type equal to int, you got, can you type this? So do you see how exactly we changed to? We changed system parameter to user defined parameters. I want the value as integer. So now it's very good, Sai. That's true. So guys, the one who joined for the first time, second time, or maybe who joined late to take a decisions, are you understand? Pretty good concepts, np.zeros. We're working on it. Now slowly do this. So np zeros, it's saying 5 means what happened? 5 zeros. Now I pass a list np.zeros 2 comma 2. Can you tell me how what metrics we created now? What metrics we created? Just go ahead and check. Do you see this? Great. 2D or not? 2 rows and can you create 10 rows and 10 column? 10 rows and 10 columns with value? Cool. Do you see this? Is ND or not? This is multi-dimensions or not, guys? Okay. Try this. Try this. This is not a big code. Small, small codes we try to build. Interesting, understanding or not. If you don't work with me, then you will confuse. So when you work with the classes, then you'll no confuse because you got to see what is output. After the classes, you practice or not practice, leave it. Just in the class, concentrate and go home and read the notes. Practical we done in the classes. And I will give you some task. You work with that after go home. And after go home, when I give the task, when you have issue, just post the error in the classroom or you can ask to the mentor. You can go to the lab. Every documents prepare a notes for it. Now you start spending. Earlier you not study. Now you studied or not, guys? How much? 2 hours, 3 hours? You can't able to recognize because you learn. You love the concepts. That's why. Anyway, let's go ahead and do it. So it uses both circle. Can we use both open and square? Try this, guys. What if you, okay, that's what I'm saying. So what if you can, now you can create a new identifier and check. You see the results. Getting my point, guys? You create a, I use 0. Now, can explain once more 0 concepts, which I explained before 3 minutes. Niharika, np.zeros, numpy. I'm saying shift tab, zeros. Return a new array of given shape and type filled with zeros, isn't it? So shape int or tuple of int. So when you say pass 2 comma 3, okay, just little give scroll down and you get a documentations or not. Here you pass zeros 5 and here you pass open bracket. So here you if you pass 2 comma 2, so maximum time you can pass open brackets itself. Understand, team? So maximum time you can pass. Niharika, you understand now? Definitely it's gives same results. Okay, what if guys, if I don't explain you now? What if I delete the code? You don't have the questions then? I had to know to figure out. Understand online team. Naveen, I hope you're clear. So NP dot zeros, Gauri, no, definitely it's a wrong because minus 5 comma 10. There's zeros you never give minus 5, isn't it? Would you print minus 5 0? No, this is not a, yeah. So 10 comma 10. Guys, are you clear? So every time you can pass open bracket. Even though you mention close brackets, you check the type of, just one moment. You can, what is the type, guys? Numpy ND error or not? So if I change to open bracket, now you check NPy ND error. There's a, but these things will required in the projects when you do, I'll explain the changes at that time. Okay. When I explain the projects later, I will tell you what is the use for creating zeros array. Navin Kumar, we what is the use to learn addition concepts? This concepts we implement in machine learning algorithms. In algorithms, in data frame, if we add zeros, we need to write this type of codes. Understand, Navin? In interview, they will ask you, can you create a null matrix? So what is the reason? If Navin Kumar, are you understand? Are you experienced buddy or fresher? So this is the problem. When I explain so in depth, you start asking questions. Why we need to create? Leave it then. Don't create. Fresher. I know that's what these questions come up. If you study like this way from 10th class, Navin, why I learned this math, you become a Sundar Pichai now. So this is the concepts we use in projects. Okay, Navin? No problem. Good. So please work because we create a, so the main intentions behind the project is we introductions NumPy because in the image is convert to array. The pixel size is 0 to 255. The 0 means black color. Understand guys, in computer vision, 0 means black color. So God givens rainbow color or not? 7 color, red, green, blue. So when the image is 0 to 10, it represents to black color. Are you understand or not? So I hope everyone clear. Just don't worry. Naveen, are you clear, buddy? Okay. Can we go ahead to the next one? Okay. Can you tell me what exactly happened? Can you create a matrix with 2 rows and 10 column with value? 0. If I say this is float, can we change to, I hope you can do this. I don't want you to type this now. I don't want you to type this. I will share this. You can do. Okay. Next code. Can you type this? N equal to 5 comma 7. N1 equal to 6 comma 8. N equal to 5 comma 7. What is meant by 5 comma 7 means? 5 rows and by default it is rows. So let me tell you, by default 5 rows and 7 columns we hold with n and n1. Now can you tell me print np dot zeros and what is output we got now? 5 5 into 7 matrix or not? So with value 0. If I change to n1, if I change to, just go up, and if I change to, just I maybe I create a new control X. and then I create a new and just execute. Do you see this, guys? What is N1? 6 rows and now we print matrix with help of identifiers. With the help of, so team, are you understand or not? Please do so. This is very simple and this is very easy. So similarly, out of 217 functionality, how many functions we covered? Two. How many functions we covered, guys? Two. So these functions we use a lot in organizations, guys, in computer vision, in text. Okay, so vectors. So texts are convert to the vectors. What is vector? The vectors are represented 0 and 1. Understand or not? So machines are understand only binary code 0 and 1. So we must need to understand now. Okay, just go here. N means 5, 7. N1 means np.zeros. Are you clear? Can we go to the next function? Can you give me what is output for this? np.ones for D type int, first response, hyperparameter tuning or parameter tuning. The shift tab. Data type is none. Data type is what? None. If I remove this, just execute. By default, it is float. But when I say D type equal to int, it is. So np.zeros, what values we got? The value of 0. But when we pass data type int, what is output we got? Ones. With 4 ones or not? Now, can you tell me what is output for this code? np.ones n. np.ones n. 5 into 7 matrix with value 1, isn't it? See, I see, guys, when you work, are you understand and work or you just type it and get the output? No, don't do that, guys, please. So it's all depends on the person. So please don't you type, because when you understand what's going to happen, the result, see that and ask if you have any question. Okay. Yeah. Again, parameter, hyperparameter concept. See, very simple, Sri. I mean, let's say, Sri Mishra, you buy a new laptop. Windows 10 operating system is there. That is parameter tuning. Now you don't want Windows 10 because some softwares are not support. You remove that, you install Windows 11. That's called hyperparameter tuning. Got me now? Sir, why n is giving 5 into 7 matrix? Very good, Alina, because we define above code n equal to 5 comma 7. Do you see here, Alina? N equal to 5, 7. That's what we got, 5 into 7. If I change 6 into 7, just execute. Now little scroll down. Now change np. np dot ones now 6 into 7. Clear? Get it? Good. Understand up to this? Can we do next code tomorrow? Can we do next code tomorrow, guys? Or we'll complete? Oh, shall we do it today or tomorrow? Great, man. Oh, tomorrow one day. Okay. So today. Okay. Today. Let's do this. Today. Okay. Okay. No, wait. So just, okay, that's fine. np.to's 2 comma 3. Can you respond now? Error or output? Just go with error because two function is not. So there's a question is how to know which functions you get. I will share you one document tomorrow. Not today. I will share you the document tomorrow. I will share this document today. I will share this notes today. Would you practice? Please practice. Don't worry. I will explain operations, or maybe I'll explain the operations tomorrow. So first let me explain, then I'll share. or else the things would be more complicated. So let me explain first and then I will share to you. Because if you type speed, then we can try. So there's a few more functions now. Just go back and here I try to make one documentations for you. Just NIT and evening batch, 7:30 p.m. July month, today 30th. Okay, so NumPy absolute basic for beginner. I shared the code. This is NumPy. Let me open it. Do you see this, guys? I will share some of the documentations here, how to import NumPy, how to create an array, how to create a zero array, how to create ones array, array operations, result equal to array one plus array two. Do you see this, guys? In interview, sir, this file not open Jupyter after downloading project file. No, you have to open with the Jupyter file. In interview, if anyone asks, can you explain me array NumPy? So how do you explain? NumPy is library which used for data analysis, image mathematical operations. Also, it helps for array manipulations. It helps statistical operations. It helps indexing and slicing. It helps logical operations and read all the side heading. In 10th class college, you make like this notes or not? This is the notes, man. Can't you prepare a notes? Are you guys working on notes? Data science is not a complete coding platform. Understand? Data science is not a coding platform. Let me tell you, see, the beautiful of the class working with zeros is really to learn the experiments. That's true. I want to show you some of these things that I think um, in the job, see, in 3 months, you can apply for Python developer jobs, guys. Then you can apply data analysis jobs as well. You can apply business analysis jobs as well. You can apply machine learning engineer job role as well. You can apply NLP engineer job as well. You can apply deep learning engineer jobs as well. And you can apply OpenCV developer or engineers, OpenCV engineer. Understand? And then you can apply for AI engineer. And then we have LLM developer. And then we have Gen AI engineers. Do you see if I go to my LinkedIn profile, you try to explain. I think yesterday was talk about LLM developer jobs or not. So you no need to wait for 6 months to apply jobs. The moment when you finish NumPy, Pandas, PLT, SNS, in the backend, start a profile and dump and keep applying the job market as a data analysis. This four library is mind blowing, man. I will give you tomorrow this documentations. See, in the one every day, no need to be so much burden. So we try to understand one by one. Just tomorrow, I will give you a lot of work. NumPy example list. Okay, if you want, I can share this today. Zero, only giving attribute except 0 and 1. Alina, you must be done something wrong. Do you see how many functions I said? One, two, one, two, how much? Just just 217. So each and every functions, I don't want you to complete. I don't want you to complete. If you complete, mind blowing. If you, while you do any error, please talk to the mentor. So don't see, let me tell you, if I'll share you, if you can't solve, don't create a mindset I can't learn. If I share the document, there is a problem. If I don't share, there is a problem. So I will share. If I share, I don't, you didn't explain me. So what if I didn't share? So as I said, this entire code is not required for a project, but to have a knowledge building, I will share because In the projects everywhere it is required. So this is what take. So T, how do you find? So this is all control F T W O. Zeros we covered or not? Twos. Do we have a twos? No, you don't have twos. This is a statement. Now you just go to indexes here. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. In the T, take tensor dot. Do you see this one we can apply in PyTorch? Maybe I'll introduce PyTorch tomorrow or some other day. So just calm down. So to file, to list, trace, transpose, try, trim zeros, trio, type dict. Team, I hope understand or not. I will share this today. Just don't worry, don't scare. Whatever, see, you write exam, whenever you feel easy, you write or not. Whatever functions you understand, you can work. Rest of them, leave it. If you want to ask to mentor, you can ask. After 1 month when you work, you only solve it. समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं, guys? See what I'm saying? I'll give you this one because today there's no work for you because all the previous work you completed. I will give you this. You can sit and try tomorrow. So yeah, do you need to learn from notes? You could, no man, Sushaban, come on. That's the problem. I will complete. It's pending. We will do project IPL data analysis projects. We do. Okay, we do the graph. So don't create a questions. Why you guys from NumPy import star? From NumPy import star. If you see this absolute from NumPy import star, from NumPy import star, why they assign the star? They assign import all functions. Very good. So let's say if you don't import NumPy as NP, then it is an error. For example, see online team all functions. I'll explain right now. Just listen this code. I will take. Okay, see here. I'll say this np dot zeros. Error or output? Error or output? Anyone? Here, just go and execute. Error. Why, guys? What I need to type now? Import numpy is now from numpy import star. Just go ahead execute. Now np dot zeros 4. So now it's not required. When I say zeros 3, we got output now. Do you see what is meaning of star? If you don't want to call numpy as np, then you have to import star. But when you import numpy, no need to mention the star here. No need to mention the star here. Team, I hope understand. So guys, I'm shared this document